Ooh.
Wow, okay.
Looks kind of cool.
Yeah, definitely a piece of art.
Yeah. Okay, what do we got here? We got a bottle and a broken leg.
To restore something.
And a heat gun.
Okay.
All right, that looks pretty good.
Okay, well, I think it works well.
I don't know if it'll last that long, to be honest. No, I wouldn't do that. I
I
wouldn't
think
do that.
it does.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm confident about it.
Okay. If you're confident about it, then I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I hope you tell then it's really good. Something like this.
Yes.
But
Okay, so we have this big bin. All right. And we're making a table. A table.
what a weird table.
Yeah, I don't know how structurally, fine it's gonna be, but
It's a kicker.
oh, it's a
Sure.
foosball. That's kind of cool. Oh my gosh! Wow, that was a fast party.
It's supposed to be right. Okay.
Nice. Wow. What a natural party. Okay, so we have our broken wire here. Let's melt this plastic. Maybe not a good idea right in your hands, but okay.
Okay.
And just wrap it around there. It could be a little cleaner, but it looks all right. Yeah, why not?
Good work.
Secure the connection. All right, so we have more bottles and hole punchers.
And for what?
String. All right, what do we? This is like fishing wire. What are we doing?
For plants?
Ah, for art. For creativity.
That's it?
It looks kind of cool.
Ah.
For plants. Nice. Now it's cool.
Okay, now it's cool, right? I don't know.
Okay.
Just a chair. You can do chair out of
Yeah,
everything,
literally. Yeah,
right?
they're like, get an old toilet. Close the seat. It's now a chair.
That's true, actually, yeah. But I think you can came up by yourself to this idea.
I think we should make some 5-minute crap videos about chairs and just,
Oh,
That's a nice little wine rack.
Yeah.
Okay. We have some pictures of cleaning up. High five! Yeah.
Perfect.
We want our children to live in a world with clean water, air, and soil. Yes, we do.
So yeah.
We want that. Ooh. Ooh. What's happening? Oh my gosh. Is this a restoration? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? All right, putting the laces back in without a sole is very interesting. Oh my gosh!
That's
Oh,
okay.
I want to try.
No, it's smart, I guess.
Okay, so we got some
Some
panda bears. That's a lot of panda bears to wear.
Oh,
All right,
Fashion Week 5-minute grab.
you could just drop them off at, for the kids, but nah, wear a panda bear shirt. That's good. Interesting. Interesting. We got some old tights. Cut those babies off. Interesting.
Take them to your.
I mean, yeah, if you have some rip tights and you want to look like a early 2000s punk rocker, why not?
Cool, cool.
Okay, we got this pokey thing in the bottle. Wow, what?
Wow. Do not create a mess.
Ah, okay, so when you're drilling holes, use the
That's-
bottle.
That's smart.
I use
take it.
a dustpan, like the mini dustpans.
Yep.
When I'm drilling a hole, I put it underneath and then collect it
Yeah.
in the dustpan.
Okay.
And it works
Still useful.
just
but
basically the
anyway,
same.
the whole dust flying around, right?
No, but like the dustpan goes around like this and it collects.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, we got some string. Are we making more art?
Or
I don't know.
what happened? Ah,
That's for your umbrella.
Nice.
Ella,
Clever.
hey.
Umbrella.
Yes. Okay, so we're ruining our bottle, getting some acrylic paint.
Look like a cinnamon.
Ooh,
Wow. Okay.
looks kind of cool.
Yeah. Definitely a piece of art.
Yeah. Nice. Love it. Like it, love it.
Approved.
Approved. Archived approved. Okay, so we got this bottle cap. We're cutting off the top. In the future, currency is going to be bottle caps.
You think so?
Yeah, a video game told me it would be like that.
Okay. Oh.
Ah, interesting phone holder. It's kind of cute if you have a glue gun ready. Otherwise, you know, just rest it on something like a coffee mug.
Yeah.
This lady got a lot of tools, I've noticed. She must be a
Yeah.
crafts person.
Craft
Craft lady.
lady. Lady craft.
Gotta be careful for those craft ladies. It's like a superhero, like kind of a lame superhero.
Yeah.
Spider-Man versus craft lady. What is happening? What are we making?
For your wire and to
Wow,
storage your wire.
that's awesome.
Wow,
I like it.
nice.
Archie 5 approved.
Yeah, really.
I want to make that actually. That looks awesome. In it and everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
Need to test it, right?
Yes, please. Okay, so we have another bottle
In a tube.
and a 2B. Or not 2B. Yep. Looks good.
Okay.
Not the worst. Could be worse.
Something obvious thing, but
Yeah, it reminds me of those hats that have the things for cans and you
Yeah.
can drink out of it.
what? Yeah. Why not as well?
Okay. Gas
Nothing
tank.
special.
All right, what are we making out of the gas tank?
Okay. Wow, magic.
Magic cuts, magic finger lady. Much more popular than craft lady.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is the same.
Oh, we got some toilet paper.
Okay.
Nice. Whoa, don't
One
throw
more.
away your egg carton. No! Acrylic
Better.
dye.
Better to reuse it, right? What's the point?
I don't know actually. What is the point?
Ah, it's a child.
It's an actual
Yeah.
legit 100% recycled bag.
Oh. Okay.
Plastique.
One.
Alright. Confused? Is it gonna be like a flower thing? It looks like a flower thing.
Mm-hmm.
Archie, what's happening? Guys, what's happening? Tell us in the comments below what's it's a donut holder. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. We got it now.
Yeah.
Old cup. I don't know why they would take off the handle there. I thought the handle was a nice little addition, but
Exactly, you can move it.
yeah, move it around easy. Ah, cute. Kind of cute.
Nice. Frame.
No!
Wow.
Get the can. Wipe off dirt.
And
Tell me what to do next with my life. 5-minute crafts. You know, I wish they would tell me like, shot for shot. What should I
Yeah,
do
yeah,
with
yeah,
the
yeah,
instructions?
yeah.
Wipe off dirt. Take a shower. Drink coffee. You know, make a little heart. What are we doing with the heart?
Ah.
Okay, so it's nice
You
little
make cookies.
cookie shapes.
Shapes, yeah.
Cute.
Cutie.
Cutie. All right. Ew, more trash. What do we do with that?
So,
More
recycle.
bottles.
Yeah.
Bottle inside bottle. Bottleception.
Put them together.
Tape. Now it's multiple bottleceptions.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What? 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 Oh! What is happening? Why? Why? What the chair? Weird.
Word.
Really
But-
weird.
Okay.
You do what you want to do, you know?
Yeah.
Like, no
Yeah.
judgment here at Archie 5.
You do.
Okay, paint your tires. I love dog.
Mm-hmm.
I love dog so much. Yay, dog! Ew.
Dog. I love dogs.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
break open your bottles in the plastic. Nice.
Yeah, but still be careful.
Yes.
And
Pour it out into a mix. Add some cement.
cement.
I'm guessing art is going to happen.
We'll see that.
I think I was right. That's dangerous art, though. Imagine if it like the jagged edge comes out.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to be careful.
You need to be careful. I think they just put it carefully.
Yeah.
But-
Okay, plastic bags, sealing them together.
What?
What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
Is it a dress?
Mom, I need a new dress.
Oh, it's a bag. Your which side?
Ah, bright side. Nice. I like it.
Oh, okay.